Electricity is essential to delivery of high-quality education and training all throughout the world. It helps schools, universities, institutes, and colleges to make efficient use of tools and equipment for teaching and learning, as well as research and development. Power blackouts, along with the subsequent need to fall back diesel generators and the increasing power rates, put further burden on already strained educational budgets. MegaPower supplied, installed, and commissioned a 75 kWp on-grid solar system with a backup battery bank for AlAzhar University in Gaza. This system used CanadianSolar PV modules, SMA battery banks, SMA battery and PV inverters, as well as SMA Sunny Island MultiCluster boxes for seamless hybridisation with grid supply. Contact MegaPower for a free consultation and develop a customized solar power system to provide you uninterrupted power supply and minimize the impact of blackouts and high fuel prices.